Evolutionists at one time claimed that the fossils were a transitional form between the amphibians and reptiles. According to this scenario, the primitive ancestor of the reptiles, however, the subsequent fossil discoveries showed the reptiles were living on the earth some 30 million years ago. In the light of this, evolutionists had to relinquish their claims regarding. Moreover, there are also insurmountable boundaries between reptile species such as reptiles, dinosaurs, or lizards. All of these distinct species arose All of these distinct species arose suddenly and distinctly on the earth because God so created them. This fact is thus stated in the Quran. God created every animal from water. Some of them go to their bellies, some of them on two legs. God catches whatever He wills. God has power over all things. The end of the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were the greatest land-dwelling animals that have ever lived. With their perfectly designed bodies, they lived on the earth for a long time ago. According to a consensus among scientists, they have become extinct because of a meteor disaster. This phenomenon was divinely planned so as to make the earth fit for the mammals and the particular human beings which were this phenomenon was divinely planned so as to make the earth fit for the mammal and the particular in the human beings, which were created subsequently. Turtles are always the same. There is no difference between the ancient fossil reptiles and the counterparts today. The 100 million years ago, the sea turtle on the left exactly is the same as its the modern time. The difference in the eggs. One of the contradictions of the amphibian reptile evolutionary scenario is the structure of the eggs. Amphibian eggs which develop in water have a jelly-like structure, permeable membrane. Reptile eggs, however, have a solid and waterproof structure adapted to the land conditions. As we see in the dinosaur egg, the reconstruction here, in order the amphibian to become young reptilian, its eggs must run into the reptile eggs, yet this is possible. Birds and reptiles. Evolutionists make the claim that the birds are evolved from the reptiles. When we examine the structure of these two living classes, however, we said that this assertion is extremely unscientific. Evolutionists claim that the birds evolved from the small structured reptilian dinosaurs. A comparison between the birds and the reptiles, however, that demonstrates that these living classes are not very different from each other, and so evolution whatsoever could have taken place between them. There are many structural differences between the birds and the reptiles. The most important one is their bone structure. Dinosaurs, the earliest ancestors of birds, according to the evolutionists, have thick and solid bones because of their massive structure, whereas the bones of the living and extinct birds are hollow, thus very light. The lightweight bone structure is very important in the flight of the birds. Another important difference between the reptiles and the bird is their metabolic structure. While reptiles have the slowest metabolic rate in the world of the living things, birds hold the highest records in the field. For instance, the body heat of the sparrow can rise up to the 48 degrees Celsius. For instance, the body heat of sparrow can rise up to 48 degrees Celsius of its fast metabolism. On the other hand, reptiles are not even capable of producing their own body heat and instant warm up under the sun. Reptiles are least energy consuming animals in nature, whereas the birds are the most energy consuming animals. The distinctive traits of the reptiles. In the world, vertebrates, reptiles are one of the groups at least resemble birds, while birds are warm-blooded. Reptiles are not even capable of producing their own body heat with the structure of their skin, their metabolism, and the skeletal system. Reptiles are ultimately created to live on the land. Bird lungs function in the completely contrary way to land animal lungs. The later inhale and exhale through the same air passage as the birds, while the air enters the lung from it and goes out from the back. This distinct design is specially made for the birds which create amounts of the oxygen during flight. It is impossible for the structure to evolve the reptile lungs because respiration would be impossible with an intermediate form between these two different lung structures. The function of feathers. Unlike the reptiles, the bodies of the birds covered with the feathers, responsible for the aerodynamic function in the bird's feather, also help them to retain their body heat.